In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Shopify website. If you're ready to take your store offline, I'll walk you through the exact process inside your Shopify admin and share key tips so you know what to expect before and after you cancel. Start by opening Shopify and signing in to your store's admin. Make sure you're using the store owner account or an account with the right permissions. Only the store owner can complete the cancellation. From your admin dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This opens a page with all your store controls. Next, choose Plan. This is where Shopify lists your current subscription and any available plan options. On the plan page, find and select Cancel Plan. Shopify will show you important information about what cancellation means, such as how your storefront and admin access will be affected and what happens with future billing. Read that carefully so there are no surprises. When you're ready, toggle on the statement that says you've reviewed the information above. This checkbox confirms you understand the implications of closing your store, then click Continue. You'll be asked to select a reason for cancelling. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This feedback helps Shopify improve the product and may surface alternatives like pausing. After you select your reason, click Continue again. To finish, you'll see a final confirmation. Click Cancel once again to confirm and complete the process. After this, your storefront goes offline, customers can't check out and staff lose access. Your subscription charges stop moving forward. Depending on your billing cycle, you may still see any outstanding charges for usage or third-party apps already incurred on the current invoice. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. It's wise to download any information you may need later, like orders or product details, before you cancel. If you use paid apps or external services, check their billing policies, since some are billed outside of Shopify. If you use a custom domain, it remains yours through your domain provider. Keep it renewed if you plan to use it elsewhere. And if you change your mind, you can usually reactivate by logging back in and choosing a new plan. Shopify retains your store data for a period, though availability can vary. That's it. You've successfully closed your Shopify website by going to Settings, Opening Plan, choosing Cancel Plan, acknowledging the details, continuing, selecting a reason, and confirming the cancellation.